we want to share in the unusual achievement
Queremos compartir ese logro tan extraordinario
of your ability
de su habilidad
to preserve
a preservar
such a high point of our culture
un punto tan exaltado de nuestra cultura.
through the vagaries of foreign influence
A través de todo el colonialismo,
over time.
la interferencia extranjera.
It is a remarkable human feat.
Es un logro remarcable.
And today we vicariously share in it.
Y hoy estamos compartiéndolo contigo, con ustedes.
This is Ékórétònkó.
Esto es Ékórétònkó.
This is Ékórétònkó.
Esto es Ékórétònkó.
This is Ékórétònkó.
Peace.
This is your home.
Es su casa.
When I was doing the libation
Cuando estuve haciendo la
on our Ékpè stone outside,
echando afuera,
I alerted our ancestors
le dijo a los antepasados
to the fact that you had come back
que
home.
están aquí en la casa otra vez.
We welcome you.
Están bienvenidos.
We hope and expect that
Esperamos
next year
y creímos que
you will be part of the larger team that will come to
ustedes se van a
Calabar
regresar con un grupo más grande
to enable us properly
para
celebrate your presence
celebrar su presencia
and return home.
como debe ser.
Tonight was just an indicative gathering.
Hoy fue algo impromptu, ¿no? Para indicar lo que va a pasar.
The meat and substance of it will wait till next year.
Que la sustancia de la carne va a esperar hasta que el año que viene. Ya, un abrazo.
Y espero de todo. Espero de todo con lo que se me ocurra.
Oye, papo,
Titoteku yoro Iyamba tenero Monsuru yonko pako useme mwa kobre ma to re yinwe na mari mo te ke sekiri de me ni na mari on te ke Iyib mo te Iyamba ma ke den kiswa ni ki ta me bere mo Dr. Miller, in the first instance, we have to show gratitude to you for this long and tortuous journey that you've had, which has culminated in you bringing our brothers back home. The little thing I want to say is please inform them
Que quería agradecer mi familiaridad en ustedes regresando aquí y queremos decirte algo.
It's been a very big pleasure for us.
Ha sido un enorme placer, enorme.
All of us gathered here.
Estamos todos aquí.
We are so happy.
Estamos tan contentos.
How we wish you were more than this in number.
Esperamos que vienen con más números después.
One thing that we are going to request,
Una cosa que queremos,
as you are going back home,
como ustedes van a regresar,
you have come, you have seen,
han venido, han visto,
And you are going back to tell the people
Y van a regresar y decirle a la gente
that your root is still existing.
que su raíz existe.
And that we welcome as many of you at any given time back home.
Y le damos la bienvenida a cuantos que quieren regresar aquí cuando pueden.
You can make it a yearly affair.
Se puede regresar anualmente.
But let the people know
Pero
that we are one blood.
que estamos una sangre.
That's all I want to say. Thank you for coming.
Gracias por su presencia.
And anytime you are going back, assuming we will not meet again, that God lead you back home safely.
Que Dios les lleven seguramente a la casa.
And I want to join my Iyamba again in saying that we expect that by next year, you will be part of a larger group because we hope you will be more than this.
Con más gente.
Thank you. Bob,
Dile que no tenemos.
No, dile algo.
Hey, Bagongo.
Señor. No, claro, solo en inglés para todo el mundo. Sí, para que conozcan nuestro agradecimiento.
I'm joining our brothers to say that this is the first time. This is the first time which we have come as Calabar into a fold like this.
To one fold.
The Cubans, your presence has brought unification into this Calabar as a community. And we have to thank God first for that. And we are praying to the Almighty God that your presence has brought us together. It should not end on this day. That this is going to be a thing that will nobody in this world can stop it. We are praying to the Almighty God that one day we, the Calabarians, will be in Cuba.
We hope that.
To display what you, our great-grandfathers, maybe my uncle or great-grand-uncle was there, and that we will be able to come there and display what you have come here to show to us. I am believing God that one of these days, all the Ékpès in the entire world will be one and one forever.
Bien. En nombre de todos los Abakuá difuntos,
In the name of all the deceased Abakuá,
nosotros queremos venir aquí a dar las gracias
we wanted to come here to give the thanks
al gran poder divino de Dios
to the great divine power of God,
por no solo demostrarnos a nosotros, sino darnos la posibilidad de demostrarle al mundo
for giving us the possibility to demonstrate to the world
de que de nada o quizás de mucho valió el sacrificio que ellos hicieron.
that the sacrifice that our ancestors made to preserve the culture was a valid one, was a worthy one.
Ya que sabemos positivamente por oídas que la época de la esclavitud fue muy difícil.
We know from what we have heard that the slave period was very difficult,
Pero sin embargo, ellos supieron mantener su idiosincrasia y su religión
In spite of that, they knew how to preserve their idiosyncrasies and their religion.
y en estos momentos, después de 1836,
And now, after the first lodge was created in 1836 in Cuba,
nosotros podemos decir ahora en el 2004
we can now say in 2004
que el Abakuá, la religión Ékpè Abakuá, está viva.
that the Abakua religion is alive in Cuba today.
Y que no era en ningún momento una imaginación ni de los que lo profesaban, ni de los que la profesamos, ni de los que mañana la profesarán, de que el origen está aquí en Yenison.
And no one can ever deny that or believe it's imaginary that our roots are here in Yenison.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.